Welcome once again to Monday at the Movies, here on the Create channel. Today, we continue our Oscars theme with a familiar face if you tuned in last week. It's Cary Grant. Grant is one of the most legendary actors in classic cinema, starring in over 70 films over 30 years, and despite his prominence both today and in his time, Grant was only ever nominated for an Academy Award twice and never won. One of those nominations was for the movie we bring you tonight, 1941's Penny Serenade. Cary Grant stars opposite Irene Dunne, the third and final time the pair would appear together as a married couple. Penny Serenade marks a dramatic shift in tone from the pair's first two films, leaving behind screwball comedies and diving into the world of melodrama. It chronicles the life of two newlyweds as they endure both the joys and crushing heartbreaks that life gives to everyone. Grant was quoted as saying this was his favorite performance, while Dunne loved the film as it reminded her of her own adopted daughter. Like many of the films released after 1930, Penny Serenade exists in the public domain because the studio failed to renew its copyright after 28 years. And this is not the last time we'll see Cary Grant on this program. At least one more of his films is currently in the public domain and is yet another classic. That, however, will have to wait for another week. But for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy Penny Serenade, brought to you here on the Create channel.